11 Best WordPress Plugins to Sell Photos Online. Next-Gen Gallery. Next-Gen Pro has acquired the topmost position of a photo gallery plugin. The tool has been an excellent addition to the e-commerce system with stunning features and consistent enhancements. Sunshine Photo Cart. Sunshine Photo Cart is a WordPress client photo gallery plugin widely utilized to create galleries of photos and then sell that from the website you own. YITH WooCommerce Watermark. YITH WooCommerce Watermark plugin lets you secure the images that you feature on the website for any purpose. WooCommerce. WooCommerce Photography is the most advanced WordPress photo seller plugin that enables your website to arrange the workflow of professional photographers that occurs day by day. Envira Gallery. An exclusive WooCommerce add-on that effortlessly leads to online photo selling your clients. Direct supply your digital download service to gain more revenue throughout it. Product Image Watermark. Product Image Watermark is a well-diverse freemium WordPress photo seller plugin that enables you to apply the watermark on the images you owned for your e-commerce website and sell it online. Symbiostock. Symbiostock is another sales-oriented WordPress photo seller plugin for digital photographs, videos, and vector illustrations. This Symbiostock plugin will help you sell media online. WordPress Photo Seller Plugin. WordPress Photo Seller Plugin lets you establish the facility to sell professional images on WordPress websites with standardized digital means. WooCommerce Photography Plugin. WooCommerce Photography Plugin is an immensely recognized paid WordPress photo seller plugin to sell online photos and assist the photographers and other artists who work on graphic skills. WooCommerce Image Sales. Image Sales is a WooCommerce image selling plugin that is an innovative way to sell your photographs directly from the website. Easy Digital Downloads. Easy Digital Downloads is a widely available plugin that allows you to sell photos easily and lets you arrange the selling of digital products.